With this new mounting solution, the Barco Unicy mount kit, I can simply remove this, lift this whole column of panels up, and we've tested this up to 10 panels high. Simple turn of one hand. I'll use two just to make it faster. I can lift the whole column and create a separation in the center from the adjacent column. And if I want to access this bottom panel, remove it without damaging the panel above it, I put this into its service position, simple lock on the side, then I'll release that panel. And now this panel is separated completely all the way around so that I can get inside, remove the panel without the risk of damaging the panels around it. And if Clay will give me a hand, there's simple red tabs. I'll reach in, I'll undock the panel, right? And the panel is undocked. If you step this way. So now you see the back of the panel as well as how light the panel is. It's only 33 pounds of the LCM module. And what's unique about the mounting system itself is the panel just hangs in place. When we close it, it docks back to the input module, which provides automatic power-up capability. But you'll notice the input module and the power supply are modular. These components can be replaced separately as needed or upgraded in time as we release new revisions without having to change the entire module. So very modular, easily accessible, a lot of flexibility within this mounting system. You do all the heavy lifting, install the modules, do your cabling, test everything before you hang the module in place. So once you see this, we can put it back in place. Okay, it hangs in place. By pushing the same tabs, now the panel puts back in its docking position. It will power up on its own, and it will start. It will reinitialize and reacquire its signal. And while it's doing that, I can simply remove it from its service position. And as I bring these panels back down, they come back into alignment automatically. Now, as this panel initializes, you'll see if I was to put a new panel in place, the sensors that are built in compares itself with all the panels in the wall, and it will match itself back up once it brings the content up, as you'll see in a moment. Because the reason it's taking a little bit of time is we have this daisy chain, and you notice this panel is brighter. As those sensors take its sample, you'll see it kind of blend itself into the wall automatically. It takes a couple seconds for it to take those readings, and there you go.